Good morning, students. Welcome to Multinational Financial Management online class. Today we discuss about the foreign portfolio investment, right? So, in previous lecture we learned about the portfolio management and we discussed about the services and different types of portfolio managers. Okay. So today we will discuss about what is foreign portfolio investment, or we can say it like FPI, or we can also call it as international portfolio investment. Right? So before learning about the foreign portfolio investment, it is very important for us to know what is foreign investment, right? So we can say the foreign investment is investing in a country other than home country. Means whenever we do investment outside our home country, for example, we are in India and we do some investment in US, so that investment for us is called as a foreign investment. And in the same manner, when any investor from US or other foreign country like China or Australia, that investor invests in India. So for that investment, that investment is known as foreign investment for that investor, right? So in simple word, we can say that foreign investment is investing in a country other than home country. आप अपनी होम कंट्री के बाउंड्री के बाहर जाके जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं वो आपके लिए फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट कहलाएगा, और फॉरेन कंट्री से जो भी पर्सन जो भी इन्वेस्टर आपकी कंट्री में आके इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा वो उसके लिए फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट है, राइट? So, foreign investment involves capital flowing from one country to another. क्योंकि एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में हम इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, so obviously capital is flowing from one country to another, and foreigners having ownership or say in business. For example, US investors ने आप इंडिया में आके कोई बिजनेस सेटअप किया हुआ है, कोई बिजनेस अपना ब्रांच ओपन करी हुई है या कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हुआ है, so what will happen? उसका ऑनरशिप हो जाएगा उस बिजनेस में, बिकॉज उसने जो है इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है। अभी हम ये भी डिफरेंस पढ़ेंगे कि एफटीआई के थ्रू हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं या एफटीआई के थ्रू इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं, तो उसमें ऑनरशिप की कैटेगरी क्या होती है, मीन्स ऑनरशिप कितना हमारे पास रहता है और कितना नहीं रहता है, वो भी हम डिफरेंस आगे डिस्कस करेंगे। बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर अस इज टू नो दैट व्हेनेवर वी डू एनी फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट इन एनी फॉरेन कंट्री, तो आप जो भी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, वेदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस, वेदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनी कंपनी, और वेदर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एनी शेयर्स, आपकी ऑनरशिप हो जाती है उसकी, ठीक है? वो कम ज़्यादा कैसे होगी, वो डिपेंड करेगा कि आपका जो इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो किस नेचर में है। Next is saying that foreign investment is generally seen as a catalyst for economic growth and can be undertaken by institutions, corporations, and individuals. Right. So naturally, जब भी हम फॉरेन कंट्री में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं students, तो उनका बिजनेस सेटअप होता है, ठीक है, और उसमें उनकी ऑनरशिप होती है, और फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट जो होता है वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए। एंड जो है लाइक जहाँ पे कैपिटल की शॉर्टेज होती है, तो वहाँ पे जब फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है तो वहाँ पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट होती है। अपॉर्चुनिटीज मीन्स लाइक इंडस्ट्री सेटअप होते हैं तो आपके एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट होते हैं। सो इस ऑन दिस वे उस पर्टिकुलर डेवलपिंग कंट्री की क्या होती है, इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, ठीक है? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज saying this like that foreign investment is generally seen as a catalyst for economic growth, okay, and can be undertaken by institution, corporation, and individuals. Means any institution, any corporation, or any single individual. Means अगर कोई कंपनी किसी अदर कंट्री ब्रांच ओपन चाहती है, या कोई न्यू सेटअप कोई करना चाहते हैं या कोई करना चाहते हैं, कोई में जो शेयर से अदर कंपनी के शेयर्स एंड बॉन्ड्स इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता है, सो बेसिकली क्योंकि कैपिटल जो है वो एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री को फ्लो हो रहा है, और मेनली जो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज होती है जहाँ पे कैपिटल की ग्लोबल शॉर्टेज होती है, तो वहाँ पर अपॉर्चुनिटीज वाज एक्सेलरेट होती है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे इन्वेस्टमेंट के फॉर्म में इंडस्ट्री सेटअप होती है। आप इंडिया में देख सकते हैं कि फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के थ्रू बहुत सी ऐसी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, बहुत सी ऐसी कंपनीज हैं जो सेटअप हुई है, जिन्होंने एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी जनरेट किया है, कई सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली है, ठीक है? और क्योंकि हमने उनको बहुत ही बड़ा मार्केट दिया है, तो उसके बदले में उन्होंने हम लोग एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी जनरेट करके दिया है। आप बहुत से ऐसे फॉरेन बैंक्स के एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हैं इंडिया में, जो यहाँ पे अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट हुए या सेटअप हुए, उन्होंने बहुत सारी जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड की है। सो एनी हाउ वी कैन से दैट फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट कैन एक्सेलरेट द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर कंट्री, ओके? So when making foreign investment, हमें इन्वेस्टमेंट कब और कैसे करना चाहिए, राइट? सो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स के अलावा और भी बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं. लाइक हम जब एक कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री में इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं तो वहाँ के लॉ क्या है, उनके रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस क्या है, इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट कैसा है, राइट? मार्केट की सिचुएशन कैसी है, कंडीशन कैसी, इन्फ्लेशन है उस समय कि डिफ्लेशन चल रहा है, राइट? और पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी है कि कैसी है. और ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम किसी गवर्नमेंट में किसी कंट्री में हम इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ पॉलिटिकल कंडीशन बहुत ही अनस्टेबल रहता है, मीन्स गवर्नमेंट बहुत जल्दी चेंज हो जाती है और कोई इंटरनल वॉर वहाँ पे छिड़े हुए हैं, तो किस तरीके से है, मतलब वहाँ पे फॉरेन एक्सचेंज रिस्क है. So what are the foreign risks involved in that, right? So it is very important for us to, before investing in a foreign country, to know the different factors which are associated with the foreign investments. Okay, and what are the other factors like political instability, as I told, and currency foreign exchange. Okay, currency foreign exchange, this is also very important. Yes, students, can am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So other risk factors means political instability and currency foreign exchange risk. We हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं बच्चों की political instability क्या होती है, foreign exchange risk क्या होती है. So before investing in a foreign country, it is very important for us to analyze the different factors of investment, like economic factors and factors associated with the risk. So this is a short introduction of foreign investment. You all are aware about what is foreign investment. Okay. So let's move to our main topic, that is foreign portfolio investment. Okay. So what is a foreign portfolio investment? As I told you in the previous class, the portfolio means the combination of combination of different uh, investment. Okay, combination of investment is known as a portfolio. So what is a foreign portfolio investment? A foreign portfolio investment refers to investing in the financial assets of a foreign country, right? So as an investor, if you want to invest in a foreign country company, so आप foreign country की company के जो financial assets हैं, what are the financial assets? Like stock, like bonds, like mutual funds, right? So आप foreign country की company में के financial assets is okay. In the foreign company is good. Yes, students, class में am I audible?
मैम आपकी वॉइस बहुत ब्रेक हो रही है.
I think network issue. As that is fine. Means company is our bond portfolio. So the portfolio is variable in, let's say, there are behind is less favorable. Yes, students, am I audible right now? Am I audible?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Due to some network issue, yeah, probably. Okay. So we are discussing about the foreign portfolio investment. So what is a foreign portfolio investment? Means it refers to investing in the financial assets of a foreign country. So as an investor, if you are investing in a foreign country company financial assets, so like stocks, like bonds, okay, that are available in the stock exchange, right? So that kind of investment is known as portfolio. Okay, foreign portfolio investments. In previous lecture, we learned that the combination of investment is known as portfolio. So here, foreign portfolio investment means when an investor decided to invest in a foreign company financial assets. So that investment is known as foreign portfolio investments. So foreign portfolio investment, we can say, it includes securities and other financial assets held by investors in another country. Remember, students, whenever an investors who invest in securities and financial assets outside their home country, okay, so that investment is known as a foreign portfolio investment, right? When we say about foreign portfolio investment as comparison to the direct investment, then we can say that foreign portfolio investment is less favorable than direct investment, right? One second. Let me share the slide again. Yes. So foreign portfolio investment is less favorable than direct investment. बिकॉज यहाँ पर ये लेस फेवरेबल क्यों है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स कि हम यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स को जल्दी से सेल कर सकते हैं because why? Basically, the purpose behind is to earn the short-term profit. Okay, or and we can say that the portfolio investment can be sold off quickly and are at times seen as a short-term attempt to make money rather a long-term investment. Okay, so we can say that foreign investment, a portfolio investment, is the purpose behind the foreign portfolio investment is to earn short-term profit. Okay, हमें जल्दी से इसमें जो है प्रॉफिट अर्न करना होता है, राइट, rather than a long-term investment. Okay, so we can say कि it is a equity investment, जहाँ पर आप अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट को सेल कर देते हैं ताकि आप जल्दी से जल्द प्रॉफिट अर्न कर सकें और इसकी इजीली ट्रेडिंग भी हो सकती है. As you can see in your screen that it is written that as with equity investment, foreign portfolio investors usually accept to quickly realize a profit on their investments. Okay, so as comparison to foreign direct investment, we will discuss about the foreign direct investment in about next slide. But here, foreign portfolio investment is less favorable than direct investment because here the portfolio investment can be sold off quickly. Okay, because here the purpose is to earn the short-term profit. Okay, that's why foreign portfolio investment is for the short-term investment, not for the long-term investments. Right. As with equity investment, foreign portfolio investors usually accept to quickly realize a profit on their investment. So instead, it is a equity investment जहाँ पर हम अपनी investment को save कर सकते हैं ताकि जल्दी earn profit कर सकें और easily trade भी होता है, right? So they are easily traded and the liquidity of the portfolio investment make them much easier to sell than direct investment. So इसमें liquidity ज़्यादा होती है, इसको sell करना ज़्यादा easy होता है as comparison to the foreign direct investments. Right? And when we say about the ownership in the foreign portfolio investment, so we can say that under the foreign portfolio investment, there is a passive ownership. Okay, and what is passive ownership? Passive ownership, we can describe it like it is a stays in business when as the owner you are no longer involved in the day-to-day operation unless you choose to. Right? So this is all about the foreign portfolio investment. So basically, in short, we can say when we invest in a foreign company financial assets, so that investment is known as portfolio investment. And why portfolio investment? Because there is a combination of investments, right? Here is a short example of foreign portfolio investment regarding to India, and that it is a data of year 2019. And it is showing that India's foreign portfolio investment increased by 5.156 USD billion in June 2019, as compared with an increase of 11.469 USD billion in the previous quarter. Previous quarter means it is a June quarter, means it is a first quarter, April, May, June. Yes. So means 2018 last quarter, that is January, February, March, fourth quarter of 2018. Right, so it is increased by fourth quarter of 2018 by 5.156 USD billion in June, first quarter of 2019. So you can see that there is a increment, there is a increase in the foreign portfolio investment in the context of India. Right. So let's discuss short about the foreign direct investment. You all know very well aware about the foreign direct investment. Why I am here discussing the foreign direct investment? Because FDI and FPI, foreign direct investment and foreign portfolio investment, are the common sources of overseas investments. Okay, so it is very important for us to understand the difference between the FDI and FPI if we are interested in foreign overseas investments. Okay, so what is FDI? FDI is a foreign direct investment, and it is establishing direct business interests in a foreign country, such as buying or establishing a manufacturing business, building warehouse or buying buildings. Okay, so in simple word हम ये कह सकते हैं कि FDI में means जब तक भी आप FDI के through overseas investment करते हैं, it means कि you are buying or establishing your a business or any building or any warehouse, okay, in another country. While in FPI, in foreign portfolio investment, what we are doing, we are investing in the foreign company financial assets. That's why the ownership in the FDI, the foreign direct investment, is a direct ownership. Okay, and in FPI, foreign portfolio investment, the ownership is passive ownership. Right, and foreign direct investment tends to involve establishing more of a sustainable long-term investment in the economy of a foreign country. So if you are investing through the foreign direct investment, so your purpose is to invest for the long time, okay, not for the short term. But if you are interested to for the doing investment in the short term for short term purpose, and the FPI option is more suitable for you, because in FPI we are investing in a foreign company for financial assets, and we can easily trade in the for foreign assets for the purpose of earning short-term profit, not for the long-term profit purpose. Okay, but if you are interested in a long-term investment, long-term profit, you can opt the option of the foreign direct investment, and through the foreign direct investment, you can have the direct ownership, right, rather than the FPI passive ownership. So due to the significantly higher level of investment usually undertaken by MNCs, large institutions. So because हम FDI में जब बच्चों investment करते हैं तो हमारा large means huge amount में investment होता है. Because of the huge amount of investment, जो ownership होती है वो mostly MNCs, large institutions के hand में होती है. They have the direct ownership. And they are viewed more favorable as they are long-term investment. So ये more favorable होता है in comparison to the FPI. FPI is less favorable in comparison to FDI, right? So we can say that FDI is a more favorable for the long-term investment purpose. And direct investment, as I told you, that in the foreign direct investment there is a direct investment, direct ownership. So it includes having control over the business investor. Means आप जब भी FDI के थ्रू बच्चों इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं तो आपका, क्योंकि इसमें ह्यूज अमाउंट इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है और इसमें डायरेक्ट ऑनरशिप होती है, तो आप मैनेजमेंट को भी कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. मीन्स आपका उस कंपनी में ऑनरशिप है, आपकी उस मैनेजमेंट में आपका कंट्रोल है. बट FPI पे ऐसा नहीं होता है. FPI पे आप फॉरेन कंपनी के फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो तो आप उसके मैनेजमेंट को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, आप उसके मैनेजमेंट में ऑनरशिप नहीं दिखा सकते. दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज द पैसिव ओनरशिप. ओके, and in the foreign direct investment, it manages directly, but it involves more risk, work and commitment, right? So क्योंकि डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट है, डायरेक्ट ऑनरशिप है, आपका मैनेजमेंट में भी कंट्रोल होता है, तो आप रिस्क भी आपको फेस करना पड़ता है, आपको मोर कमिटमेंट उसमें करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि आपको लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट करना. आप यहाँ पे बिजनेस रिस्क में जो है आप इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो, आप अपना बिजनेस यहाँ रन कर रहे हो, आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री सेटअप कर रहे हो, rather than the investment in the financial assets like in FPI. Okay, so this is the concept of FDI and this is the concept of FPI. So I hope student you all understand what are the concept of FPI and FDI. So these two are the common sources of overseas investments. Okay, and let's take let's take a short example of FDI for India. In the year 2009. Again, here is the data of year 2019. Telecommunication services and computer software were the top areas attracting FDI in India during the first quarter of the 2019, that is from April to June. Okay, the total inflow into all sector increased by 28% to 16.33 billion, and last fiscal it was $12.75. So you can see that it increased by 28% to 16.33 billion. Okay, and Singapore was the largest source of FDI in April to June in 2019-20 with $5.33 billion, and Mauritius worth 4.67 billion. The Netherlands worth $1.3 billion, and Japan worth $472 million. So we can say that Singapore in the year 2009 was in the top position for the FDI investment. Then after that, Mauritius, then Netherlands, and then Japan. Okay, so these countries are more interested to do the investment in India to the FDI, to the direct investment, to the direct ownership. Why? Because of the huge market, because of the huge demand of the customers. Okay, as a customer now we have lots of option available of the foreign products due to the these countries investment through the foreign direct investment in India. So now let's move to the other topic, that is differences between the FDI and FPI. So what are the differences between FDI and FPI? And it is very necessary for us to understand what is the differences, because on the basis of the differences we can make up our mind in which way we invest in the other countries. Like other countries में हम उसको कैसे investment कर सकते हैं, like हम FDI के through जाएं या FPI के through जाएं. So foreign direct investment में हम ये कह सकते हैं कि is building or purchasing businesses and their associated infrastructure in foreign countries. So in foreign direct investment, mostly countries, what most countries do, foreign countries mostly purchase, buy the invest in the new business or buying, purchasing the business and their associated infrastructure. But in foreign portfolio investment, what countries are doing, they are basically investing in the financial assets of the foreign countries. Okay, and foreign direct investment is a long-term investment, and foreign portfolio investment is a short-term investment, because the purpose is to earn the quick money. Okay, and in foreign direct investment only suitable for large corporations. Okay, if a large corporation wants to invest in a foreign country for opening a new business or doing any investment in a company, so FDI option will be more suitable for them. Okay, and in FDI, we can say that the profit is in hand of both the ownership and management. Okay, gain both ownership and management right. And there is a entry and exit in FDI is very difficult. Why? Because of the huge law, rules, and regulation of the other countries. You have to follow the rules and law of that particular foreign country where you want to do the investment to the foreign direct investment. And the entry and exit in FPI, the foreign portfolio investment, is easy as comparison to FDI. Okay, and in FPI we are investing in financial assets. It is less efficiency. Okay, and degree of control is very less. Only gets ownership right. Okay, so we have only passive ownership in the portfolio, foreign portfolio investments. So this is all about the foreign portfolio investment. I hope you all understand what is about foreign portfolio investment and what are the differences between the FDI and FPI. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.